Welcome to Olympian Cares, giving you the best in water testing and analysis. Do you own a commercial business, an enterprise? Do you have a lot of workers and employees that you want to keep safe? One of the best ways to do that is to check your water quality, as your employees are using it on a daily basis. But how do you do that? If you're in the New York, Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, Staten Island, Bronx, Westchester, or Long Island area, then you need to take a look at Olympian Water Testing, doing it since 1991. This is a great way to make sure that everybody in your commercial residence is doing well and that your water quality is up to date with everything on the Department of Health and the EPA water quality testing standards. Now, to do that, you can put your name, email, phone, zip code, choose water testing, and put your message here. Some things to note as a commercial business owner: that water quality testing and analysis is done. That is EPA approved analysis. So check for regulatory lead in water testing, or bacteria, E. coli, coliform, Legionella, volatile compounds or VOCs, THMs, potability, fluoride, and mercury. And you can take a look and see these amazing results that people have already experienced with Olympian in the form of our reviews, and we proudly support the Healthy H2O Act. You can also find all of the things that we test for if you go to water testing and simply click on it. Here you can see that we do a lot of work with building management, commercial, and even plumbers. And we serve all of them in the Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, Staten Island, the Bronx, Yonkers, Westchester, and Long Island areas since 1991. We adhere to all the COVID-19 safety guidelines, performing quality control, state-of-the-art facilities, with our qualified staff giving you unmatched expertise and the best results for analyzing and testing your water, as we can see here. Now, be proud to know that we are part of the Water Quality Association and Environmental Sciences. And you can get all your questions answered about things like heavy metals, things like water hardness, water safety, water pollution. And this is definitely something you want to know if your business is using a lot of water. And you may want to know, how can I be sure my water is safe to drink in any circumstance? Or concerned about a contaminant in the news, make sure that that contaminant is not in your business or commercial area. You can also take a look at other questions that you might have here. We test a plethora of things in the Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan, Staten Island, Bronx, Yonkers, Westchester, and Long Island area since 1991. So if you want to keep your employees safe, if you want to keep your business running well, if you want to meet all the EPA standards and Department of Health in these areas, then it's a good idea to have your water periodically analyzed and professionally tested.